Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change background color in Figma. Now there are two types of backgrounds you can change color of. First of all, if you want to change the frame background color, then select the frame like this. After that, go to the right hand panel, scroll down until you find fill option. Just click on this color box. After that, pick the color you want to have. So I want to have this blue color. I'll just select that and then the frame color will be changed. In case you want to change the canvas color, so this is the canvas area. If you want to change the color of it, select it by pressing left click on your mouse. Now on the right hand panel, we need to select this color box and repeat the same process again to pick the color you want to have. Like let's say I want to have this gray color, I'll just select it like this. If you want to replace the background color with any image, then just select the frame or canvas and then we need to click on this fill box. Now instead of this solid color, we need to go to image and then upload the image from your device in order to change the background. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.